Now instead of using if else, you could have also used the ternary operator. In the ternary operator, what we do is we take the condition. Let us say what is the condition we have to check, whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, right? So the condition is you take the number and you find out the remainder when I divide it with 2. If I divide it with 2, if the remainder happens to be 0, then this number is divisible by 2, right? In this case, I have to print that the number is even, right? Therefore, I can write printf number is even, right? If this is not the case, which means if this condition fails, then I'll execute this statement which is after this colon. Are you getting this? There will be a statement here ending with a colon. Now if this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. If this condition is false, then the statement after the colon will be executed. Let us say after the colon you are writing printf number is odd. Got it? And you close it with the semicolon, right? Now what happens is, if the number is even, this will be printed. If the number is odd, this will be printed. Now if you want to understand more about this ternary operator, let's take one more example. Let us say we have two integers a and b, and now we want to compare a and b, and we want to assign whichever is bigger into another variable max. Now if a is greater than b, then let us say, then what should happen is max equal to a. Otherwise, let me say put a question mark, right? Otherwise max is equal to b. Now this is as good as writing this way: if a is greater than b, then max is equal to a, else max is equal to b, right? And so whatever statement you want to write with if else, if it is more readable, if you write it in a ternary manner, you can write it. Otherwise, if you feel that if else is more readable in this example, you can use this. Okay, so both can be used. That is what I mean to say. Okay.